We put a shine.
We are
Aster. Hello po!
Ayan. Nagpapakadala pa ba tayo ni Derby?
Yeah. Kumusta everyone? I'm Kian. I'm Charlie.
Hello po, I'm Tati.
Hello, I'm G.
Hello po, ako po si Alas.
Hello po, ako si Lawrence.
Hello po, ako po si Wayne.
Magandang hapon po, ako po si Lloyd.
Hello, this is Kel.
Hello po, ako po si Jen.
Hello po. Hello po, ako si Miguel.
And hello everyone, this is Cray.
Hello po!
Well, maraming salamat po ayun for the Academy of Rock for having us this afternoon to perform. Sa lahat po ng mga bumubuo ng Academy of Rock. And of course, to our students, para sa recital po ng Academy of Rock, palakpakan po natin lahat ng mga nag-perform. Lahat po nagpakita ng showcase ng talents na napakagaling. And of course, to their parents, families, and friends ng mga students ng AOR.
Yes, and sabihin ko lang, yung mga nangyari kanina sa stage, pag kayo nag-perform, dapat smile lang kayo all through.
Yes,
Especially sa
tama.
mga students natin, no matter what happens sa stage, okay? Kaya yun, good luck
No matter
po.
what happens,
Ayun lang po, maraming salamat po. And promotions, love, Kiel.
yes, again, maraming salamat po to Academy of Rock for having us. And sa mga hindi pa po nakakilala sa amin, we are a 12-member P-pop boy group. And yes, we are the newest group of Star Pop, One Music Management, and Academy of Rock. Yeah. Grabe, talagang yung partner. And if you want to know more about us, Aster, you can follow us on all of our social media accounts. You can search Aster_PH, that's AZTER_PH. And please, abangan niyo po ang aming EP release very soon.
Yes!
So much.
Kailan once again, AZTR,
We put a shine.
kami yung
Aster, salamat po!
Thank you, Twinkle!